Anybody here that wants to talk to me? Please leave. You're here. You want to talk to us? We can have you come in one at a time. My name's Brian. Can you say Brian? Let us know what that's you.
I tried so hard and got so far.
Okay.
In the end,
Bye.
it doesn't even
There.
matter. I had to fall to lose it
Tell me
all.
what my friend's name is?
In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far.
Okay.
In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Are you hungry?
Fall to lose it all.
I got a question for you guys.
In the end, it doesn't
Who is
even
Rick?
matter.
Where are we right now? What town are we in? One at a time. What is your first name? What?
Who's here with us?
Now, if you're here, can you move one of them pillows for me on the bed? Or move the cover? You get a lot of...
Okay, we got too many coming in. I'm going to respectfully ask, one at a time.
Who's the woman that's been talking on here? What is your name? William came up twice.
Okay, William. Who's William?
Who's... Oh, good.
Who's in the house with us right now?